This is CBS 4 News at 5.
Turning now to the coronavirus pandemic, we've been reporting about high COVID positivity rates in South Florida, and this shows you where we stand. You can see that Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade counties all have positivity rates above 20%. That's the highest it's been since January of this year, when the positivity rate soared to more than 30%. And this latest rise in cases is being fueled by Omicron subvariants.
Tonight, we're taking a closer look at the new variants, their impact on South Florida, and treatments for people who get sick. CBS 4's Joan Murray joins us with more on that and what doctors are seeing right now. Lots of cases, Joan.
Yeah, Elliot, Lauren, if you think you have it, your option right now is to go to a private center like this one. The public county-run centers have now closed. So this subvariant is spreading, and it's spreading rapidly. We talked to a doctor who told us it is very transmissible. And tonight you'll hear from a woman who is going through it.
On July 5th, I started having a headache. I was feeling, that brain fog, muscle aches, fatigue, and then it just kind of progressed from there.
Last Friday, Vivian Fazio tested positive for COVID. She's double vaxxed, and it's really the first time she's gotten a positive diagnosis for COVID.
It is a little strange because we thought we were out of this. We thought that we had turned the corner, and now here we are, going through it, but I'm just grateful it's not worse.
The two new Omicron subvariants are spreading in South Florida. Dr. Aniruddh Setya is a pediatrician with Kidz Medical Services.
So the common symptoms are upper respiratory infection, more so with sore throat, mild cough, a lot of fatigue. We're not seeing as much loss of taste and smell sensation as we were seeing with the last variants, but it's still pretty much upper respiratory tract and lingering cough.
Throughout South Florida, COVID hospitalizations are fairly steady. Broward Health reports currently there are 76 patients. In June, the same. A year ago, for those 2 months, the number was 1,739. With Memorial Health Care, the current list is 240. In June, there were 196 COVID patients. During the peak in 2021, it was 600. And Jackson Memorial reports currently they have 119 COVID patients. In June, it was 102. During the peak last year, 445.
So it is very transmissible, meaning that in the past variants offered you some kind of protective immunity from getting reinfected. Omicron, it seems like it's evading the immune system. So it is probably going only on the surfaces of mucosal bodies, which means it's highly infective from one person to the other, but that does not necessarily mean it's causing a more severe disease.
Vivian Fazio was prescribed a common antiviral called Paxlovid.
Overall, I do feel it's helping.
So there are a lot of antivirals available. Also, monoclonal antibodies are still available, but you have to catch it early. Also, at this point, should you be thinking about wearing a mask? When and where? Our expert will weigh in on that. That will be all new at 6. Reporting in Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.